Imagine a time when the universe was thought to revolve around the Earth, a time when questioning the heavens could land you in serious trouble. This was the world of Galileo Galilei, the man who dared to look beyond the veil of tradition and changed how we see the cosmos forever. Galileo Galilei was born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy, a city famous for its leaning tower. But Galileo wasn't leaning toward architecture. He was drawn to the mysteries of nature and mathematics. At the time, the dominant worldview was shaped by ancient scholars like Aristotle and Ptolemy. Their ideas had gone unchallenged for centuries, despite glaring contradictions. Galileo's curiosity would ignite a revolution. Galileo's father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician who believed in questioning accepted norms, especially in music theory. This mindset rubbed off on young Galileo. Initially, he was set to study medicine at the University of Pisa, but his heart lay elsewhere, specifically in mathematics and the physical sciences. Galileo soon left medicine behind, choosing instead to chart his course among the stars. He once said, "Mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe." This belief would guide his life's work. Galileo's first major discovery came not from the stars, but from a simple pendulum. As a young man, he noticed the steady swing of a lamp in the Pisa Cathedral. This observation led to his groundbreaking work on pendulums, where he discovered that their swing time is independent of the arc length. This insight would eventually revolutionize timekeeping. But Galileo's brilliance wasn't limited to theories. He was also an inventor. He improved the design of the water pump, created a military compass, and even tinkered with designs for a thermometer. However, his most famous invention, or rather improvement, was the telescope. In 1609, Galileo heard about a device that allowed distant objects to appear closer. With no instructions, he built his own version, a telescope that magnified objects up to 20 times. This would be his gateway to the stars. When he turned his telescope to the night sky, what he saw defied everything people believed. The moon wasn't a perfect smooth sphere as Aristotle had claimed. It was rugged, with craters and mountains. And that was just the beginning. On January 7, 1610, Galileo pointed his telescope at Jupiter and made a startling discovery: 4 tiny stars orbiting the planet. These were, of course, the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This observation was a death knell for the geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center of the universe. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes, as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. Galileo Galilei became a champion of the heliocentric model, originally proposed by Copernicus, which argued that the sun, not Earth, was at the center of the solar system. But not everyone was thrilled by Galileo's discoveries. The Catholic Church, a powerful force in 17th century Europe, saw his ideas as a direct challenge to Scripture. In 1616, Galileo was warned not to promote heliocentrism. Undeterred, he continued his work, culminating in his famous book, Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems. Galileo's book caught the attention of the Inquisition, leading to his infamous trial in 1633. Forced to recant his views, Galileo was sentenced to house arrest. But even in confinement, his mind remained free. Galileo's work laid the foundation for modern astronomy and physics. His methods of observation and experimentation inspired scientists like Isaac Newton. Today, we honor Galileo as the father of modern science, a pioneer who dared to question and change the course of history. Galileo Galilei once wrote, "You cannot teach a man anything. You can only help him find it within himself." Through his discoveries, Galileo helped humanity find its place in the cosmos. His story is a testament to the power of curiosity, courage, and the unyielding quest for truth. Galileo Galilei once wrote, "You cannot teach a man anything. You can only help him find it within himself." Through his discoveries, Galileo helped humanity find its place in the cosmos. His story is a testament to the power of curiosity, courage, and the unyielding quest for truth. Galileo's story is not just about science, it is about the human spirit. In a world that often rewards conformity and punishes dissent, his life reminds us of the importance of questioning, exploring, and discovering. Whether we are scientists, artists, or simply curious individuals, Galileo's legacy challenges us to look beyond the surface and seek deeper truths. His quote, "You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him find it within himself," resonates as a call to action. It urges us to take ownership of our knowledge, to explore the world with open minds and determined hearts. In a sense, Galileo is still helping us find the truth within ourselves. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Galileo's life and discoveries. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of history's greatest minds. Until next time, keep looking up.